안녕하세요. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to cover the second part of the connection of sound. Connecting sound is one of the reasons that causes students to have difficulty in listening and understanding the Korean language. We'll continue looking at the connecting sound of 11 final consonants, which consist of two different singular final consonants. The second final consonant pronunciation will influence the pronunciation of the next word. When the next word has yeoneum initial consonant, which actually has no sound. To begin, let's take a look at examples to see how the second final consonant influences the pronunciation of the initial consonant. 앉아요, 앉아요. 읽어요, 읽어요. 닮아요, 닮아요. 넓어요, 넓어요. 핥아요, 핥아요. 읊어요, 읊어요. However, there are few exceptions. 1. The final consonant 기역 시옷, 리을 시옷, and 비읍 시옷. The second final consonant 시옷 influences the pronunciation of the initial consonant and changes into 쌍시옷. 넋이, 넋이. 외골스로, 외골스로. 없어요, 없어요. 2. For the final consonant, 니은 히읗 and 리을 히읗. As the second final consonant is 히읗, therefore there is no pronunciation and should be silent. 많아요, 많아요. 뚫어요, 뚫어요. Next, let's find a connecting sound within a sentence. 의자에 앉으세요. 의자에 앉으세요. 할아버지를 닮았어요. 할아버지를 닮았어요. 책이 가방 안에 없어요. 책이 가방 안에 없어요. 벽에 구멍을 뚫어요. 벽에 구멍을 뚫어요. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And please do like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. 감사합니다.